Hey, go to Russell Motorsports.
Russell Motorsports.
We got a heavy load headed off to RYC for King of the Deep Bounty Hole. Guys, we don't even have a Honda on the trailer.
No Hondas on this Vessel trailer. Vessel rig, I should say. Stopping at a little pit stop, getting some diesel. Got 3/4 tire right here. Got boss man behind you.
Paid for the whole trailer. I'm gonna use the whole trailer. After 7 hours on the road, quick meal at Waffle House. Not much sleep, buddy. Your buggy's barely fit.
It's on there. Look, let me tell you something. Come close. See how it's got that nipple in there?
Yeah.
It's got that lug in there?
Yeah.
She's locked in. Come closer. Come in. See back there?
Yeah.
See how them straps are?
Yep.
Yeah, come here. Look at me. Pulling this way, you pulling that way. Look. Back up. Oh, she ain't moving.
Dang, Cole, that thing talking.
We're gonna see. They said it wasn't loud.
That thing quiet. It's quiet, bro.
We're gonna see this weekend.
We're gonna see what you do on your race buggy. How much nos you got in there?
Got 10 pounds on it.
Be able to keep it on all fours?
Oh yeah.
Feeling like a super VIP with the staff over 21. Guys, we are getting all set up Friday morning here right in front of the stage in the vendor area. It's actually a pretty nice spot. Now, we've never been at this mud park, but it looks like the in and out is right here and then it wraps around. So we're gonna get set up right here, give out a ton of free koozies, and we got a ton of merch and parts to buy. So we are all set up. We got Jay's North Star, the giveaway Vessel Defender, Cole's North Star, and Jay's Maverick Sport. Adam just pulled up. Sydney's paying him good to get that F-250, that flatty. Adam has been the graphic designer for Vessel actually since the Honda boat days, and you might know him as that dude on Honda. Instagram and TikTok, check him out. He's got this beautiful Rubicon. All right, so we left the park, check into the Airbnb.
I know Chris and Sid like to snuggle typically.
With a pool?
Yeah, dude, that's sweet.
What? It's probably the nicest double wide I've seen.
It's actually pretty dope inside too.
That hog, Jay Warren one. Hey, alligator, crocodile. What we doing this weekend, Bubby?
Oh man, we're gonna have a good time this weekend. I'm not gonna go into too many details, but it's gonna be fun no matter what we do.
Finally off the ride.
This is gonna last about 5 minutes. We're all together. Get stuck in a hole. Somebody's gonna have to go to the booth to help somebody. Give out koozies. Jay will probably be the first to leave us and go find a mean pig. Pretty dope little car wash they got over here. Wash rack right outside it.
Even though Stock Pioneer is going through that, we are still trying to take care.
Look at the snorkel out the hood.
Other than the stack, he doesn't have a lift, he doesn't have tires. We're still trying to take care of the giveaway build.
Lucky I'm a changed man.
Rig right there. Hitting the dig, boy. After a few minor digs, We have the Three Musketeers, all of Christian's twins, working on giveaway number 3. What's going on here, Christian?
We are doing an alignment on the giveaway bike to make sure that it is ready to go for the winter.
Christian number 2, what do you have to say?
Getting there, buddy. We're getting there.
Hey, toe in, toe out.
I was towed in bad.
Day 2 here at RYC. We got Cole's Can-Am, got the NOS bottles covered up. It is getting a little toasty out here, but pretty stoked to be out here and support Cole. Running the big tire ATV class in King of the Deep's Bounty Hole. About 9:45 out here. Got some Honda boys fixing their stuff. Vaden, give the people a rundown. What happened, man?
All right, so if y'all know me, I sunk this bike about 2 months ago on YouTube, and basically we finally got it running. Had a little wiring issue, a little ignition issue as well, and now it's out here. It had bad wheel bearings, so bad. Come over here on this side.
Jesus!
These are tight, by the way, y'all. These are tight. So that's just a bad wheel bearing. That side finally gave out, and this side's gonna be next.
Are we replacing this, or are we waiting until
We're gonna keep on riding until it goes. It's always Saturday morning, so probably about Saturday afternoon.
what y'all Honda boys do, huh?
Yes, sir. You already know it. Break shit. It's only money.
Then you got Vaden's twin out here. Starting up with the Honda ATV class. We got Vaden, Christian, and several other people running with Vessel products. Vaden, you ready, man?
I'm ready, bro. I'm ready. I'm just gonna go. I think the goal here is to go first gear, bump it in second off the line. Two-wheel drive, first run. Next run, I run four-wheel drive.
That drop in's a little
We
aggressive.
needed a helmet. A little aggressive. A little aggressive.
Represent those Vessel Powersports boys. This is David Reese. All right, let's keep it up. This is what you all came for. We're gonna get started with the big dog. Starting with Cole Matthews on the green flag. Let's go, Racing Cole.
It destroyed the belt box. Too much power.
What it was is I should have opened the bottles. When I opened the bottles up, it let my pressure back down because it filled the whole system up. Didn't have no pressure in here. That out of Seth Hilton, 478.
How you feeling with the minor complications?
Always something.
Hey, what's the verdict?
I mean, Joseph's got it in the unlimited class right now, but I think that was the best chance at beating him, and I mean, she blew the belt. So it slipped in high,
Yeah.
and then when she put it in the low and gas back down on it, popped it. But she did stop the timer.
This concludes everyone's first run. Once it started back up again, Megan was the first right out the gate. I missed the first part, but I did capture the last little bit. She ran into a little bit of, let's just say, fiery complications.
She's looking at us, rolling. What? Dude, I'm glad you have a crazy ass harness.
Well, at least your hair didn't catch on fire.
Hair's fine. I'm fine. I go a little warm on that side, this side, and I really didn't know my buggy was on fire until they fucking told me.
Hey, but you gave it all that you had.
Thanks. Fuel rail either broke off or it was loose by somehow.
Yeah.
And spitting fuel out. You know, it's high power race fuel and just caught fire. So
Totally,
I got it out. The buggy's not completely burnt. Rip everything out and fucking fix it.
Right, so the sound competition is underway, and there are a ton of buggies. There's a decibel reader inside, and then they put one 10 feet either in front or behind, one 10 feet in front of the speakers.
You know what you're doing.
Buddy's got about 16 speakers on top outside of the buggy, and then he has, I don't know, maybe 12 inside the buggy.
It's been real. I'm going home. I done took this man's money. I done put motherfucker to shame. Love the yuppie. Nah, I'm just kidding. Love y'all. Love Sid. Love Taraji. Like, comment, subscribe.
Got everything loaded back up on the trailer. Everything went on under its own power. No wheels ripped off. RYC. It was great. Not know when we'll be back.
Collar's blue. My neck is red. Been working like a dog just to keep my family fed.